Hello everyone, welcome to Astro Awakening. I am Divya Lamba, astrologer and tarot card reader. Today's reading is about what are their current thoughts and feelings for you. It can be your love interest, family member, friend, or anyone on your mind. It's a quick journal reading. For personal readings, you can contact me. So let's start. This is pile number 1, rose quartz. This is pile number 2, clear quartz. And this is pile number 3, green aventurine. You can pause the video if you need more time to select your pile. So let's start with pile number 1. Hello everyone who chose pile number 1, rose quartz. Let's see what is your person thinking and feeling about you currently. We have the moon, 4 of wands, 4 of swords, Uranus, and reflection. So the first thing I can feel directly is that the person definitely likes you. Okay, this person loves you, this person likes you, this person sees a future with you. Okay, but yes, I do feel that currently or suddenly something has happened that they think that they have to think twice towards, taking things forward with you. Okay, they are having few anxieties, fearful thoughts in their mind, okay, which they are also not discussing. Okay, most probably it can be that they came to know about something and they are just concluding those things in their mind but not discussing with you. Okay, not reflecting, okay, what they are thinking, what's in their mind, what's troubling them. Okay, they are not discussing that with you. And when it comes to love, relationship and marriage, they think that they have to think twice, okay, before taking such a big decision. No doubt they love you. Okay, and one more scenario I can see here is that this person likes you. Okay, this person has seen you in some social gathering, in some marriage, in some get together. Okay, and you can be a family friend, okay, from a family or relative of some friend. Okay, and they have met you before also, but suddenly they have started having a liking for you. Okay, and now this thing is bothering them that should they express their feelings or not. Okay, because these are suddenly new developed emotions towards you and they are fearful of these emotions. Okay, definitely we have moon card here. They are thinking too much, okay, that what may happen, what may not happen. Okay, and they are not discussing anything. They are keeping quiet, they are being mum, okay, about their feelings, especially because suddenly, okay, they feel that suddenly some change has come in their life or they have got some information, okay, that they are a bit in dilemma now, okay, that whether they should take things forward with you or not. But yes, definitely if this person is not expressing you anything, okay, if this person, you know that this person likes you somewhere but this person is not expressing you anything, I feel that you should give them a signal if you also feel the same, because reflection card is over here. Okay, so whatever you are going to reflect, you are going to get those reflections only. Okay, so if what kind of behavior you expect from this person, you yourself should behave in that sense with this person. Okay, because same things will be reflected. So yes, this person likes you, okay, definitely, but yes, this person is very much fearful in discussing things with you. Okay, on the bottom of the deck we have two of cups, which again shows love, romance. Okay, they expect equal give and take. Okay, but yes, they are a bit fearful. Okay, they are a bit fearful, they are not able to talk about it. Okay, because they have some feelings, okay, about which they fear. Okay, but yes, if you will reflect something from your side, then definitely this person may speak up. Otherwise, this person, there are strong chances, because this person is fighting there in their own mind. Okay, this person is fighting in their own mind. They like you, but there are lots of anxieties as well. Okay, this can be your situation, this can be your person's situation. Okay, but I do feel that definitely this person love you, as we have four of wands, two of cups, definitely strong feelings towards you. Okay, they see a future with you, they see a marriage with you, but yes, currently maybe suddenly something has came on surface for them that they are thinking twice, or a sudden feelings have been developed that they are fearful of. Okay, so yes, this person likes you, but yes, somewhere they are not speaking their heart. Okay, but somewhere they are not speaking their heart out to you. So this is a quick journal reading for you, pile number 1. For personal readings you can contact me, and please do like, share and comment if this reading resonated with you. Thank you. Hello, pile number 2, clear chords. Let's see what is your person thinking and feeling about you currently. We have 3 of cups, 4 of swords and 9 of cups, chariot and spiritual practices. Okay, so pile number 2, I do feel that this person is currently working on their self. Okay, on their self feelings. When it comes to you, they definitely consider you as a great friend. Okay, they like to talk to you, they like to meet you, they like to celebrate with you. Okay, but yes, somewhere they are trying to heal themselves. There are strong chances that in their past they have went through some heartbreak or some stress in their life, and they are currently thinking about their own hopes, wishes and desires. Okay, they are trying to heal, and definitely they are healing. Okay, and there are quite strong chances that you are also helping them. Okay, that you are also helping them in healing. Spiritual practices is also here. So advice for you is that you should, if you are not doing some spiritual practices, it can be meditation. Okay, if you are not doing that, you should do that, or you should advise this person to do that. Okay, or they are into meditation currently. Okay, they are trying to heal themselves and they are progressing in that, no doubt. Okay, they are progressing in healing themselves. They might have felt cheated in their past relationship. Okay, there was some third party and this thing has hurt them somewhere, but now they are giving prioritizing themselves first, healing themselves first, and they are not looking for any relationship currently. Okay, they are just more concentrated on themselves, their own healings, because they feel that if they have a cup full of love and affection, only then they can give that. Currently they feel that they are low on self love, self esteem, so they are working on that. They are relaxing, they are charging themselves. Okay, but yes, when it comes to you, they definitely look at you as a nice friend. Okay, and but currently they are into themselves only, they are just healing themselves. Let's see what is on the bottom of the deck. Yes, we have 5 of wands, which shows that they are struggling somewhere, okay, in their life, and they don't want someone in currently in their life. This can be with you also. Okay, that there can be a conflict between both of you due to some third person, third party, and they are quite hurt because of that, and now they think that they don't want to give their input, they don't want to invest their emotions into anything because they are hurt, because they think that every other day there is a competition, there is a struggle. So they don't want a relationship in which there is struggle, there is a competition. Okay, so this is their current feelings. Okay, but yes, whatsoever it is, they are healing. If they are trying to love their own self, they are trying to heal themselves, they are trying to protect themselves. and they are into, meditation and working on their own selves currently. So this is a quick journal reading for you, pile number 2. For personal readings, you can contact me. If this reading resonates with you, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Hello everyone who chose Green Aventurine. Let's see what is your personal thinking and feeling about you. What are their current energies? We have Death, Ace of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. The Moon card and the Harmony. I do feel that those of you have selected pile number 3, do check pile number 2 as well if that pile has also attracted you, because there are similar energies over here. So pile number 3, there are strong chances that many of you are inquiring about what are they feeling after a breakup. Okay, you are inquiring about your ex-partner, okay, or someone you have a conflict with. It can be a friend or anything, but after a conflict, after a fight, okay, that what are they now thinking about you. So I do feel that they are trying to overcome the energies, okay, they are trying to overcome the emotions, okay, most probably they are working on themselves, okay, and they had gotten clarity about their own self, okay, through this process. They are moving on, and somewhere they have been through this transformation and moved on. They are in, progress. But yes, at times if something reminds them of you, okay, they do get in that nostalgia, okay, that heavy emotions in their life, okay, but yes, definitely they are moving on and they are winning over it. They are concentrating on themselves, okay, they are enjoying their life, they are earning well, they are living a good livelihood, and same they are feeling for you, okay, that you are also doing great in your life. But yes, they want a clarity in their life now, okay, they want a clarity whatever the reason was of your conflict, okay. I do feel that they think that clarity was needed, and in their own mind they have concluded the things, and now they are, moving on cheerfully. Harmony is here, so advice is here that, whatever has happened in the past, what may ever have happened in the past, they are trying to have, a positive outlook, okay, that they are not cursing you, they are not thinking anything bad about you, okay, they are trying to maintain a harmony. Even for many of you it could be possible that even if now they see you, they are in the terms of, like having a, nice hi or hello with you, but yeah, they have moved on. Thing was difficult for them in the past, okay, emotionally, especially mentally, but yes, they are moving on, they have got the clarity and they don't have any grudges, okay, mostly what I can see. And same is advice for you, okay, if something bad has happened in the past with this person, don't keep any grudges, just give love, affection, and same will be reciprocated to you. Let me see what was under the deck for you. Yes, the Fool card is here. Okay, so this person is moving on. Okay, what may have happened between both of you, whether it was a friendship, whether it was a love relationship, okay, I do feel that past was, a bit difficult. Many of you have went through a breakup. But yeah, this person has moved on and is not thinking anything bad about you. They are just being happy in their own life and praying same for you and hoping same for you. So this is a quick journal reading for you, pile number 3. For personal readings, you can contact me. If this reading resonates, please like, share and comment.